Up in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can purchase cryptocurrency with MoonPay. So purchasing crypto safely is really essential, and here's how you can actually do it. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open and log into your MoonPay account. And once you're here, you will just have to click this button, which is this buy button right here. But before that, you have to ensure that you've already created your profile, you have already verified your account and activated your portfolio for smooth transactions. So yeah, let's proceed. You will just have to click buy again, and then what you will have to do is you will select the cryptocurrency that you would want to purchase, and then what you will have to do is just enter the amount. So it could be literally anything you want, and then you will just have to click continue with Ethereum or continue with any cryptocurrency that you've chosen. And yeah, after that, you will just have to choose your payment method. So it could be the debit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, or whatsoever. And after you've chosen your payment method, you will be asked to complete your identity verification, and then you will just have to click confirm purchase after you've completed the identity verification, and then the crypto will appear in your MoonPay wallet. So you should just go back here, and it should show up here if you've done all of the steps that I've just told you. And yeah, optionally, by the way, you could also transfer to another wallet for extra security. And yeah, MoonPay allows fast, secure purchases, but you should always verify addresses and payment details so that you will be able to be extra safe with the procedure. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.